So, I've had the original Legion Go for a while now. Not the newer Go S, the full-size, that one extreme version. And even now, in 2025, I'll keep getting asked, is it still worth using or should I upgrade? Today I'll walk you through what still makes it awesome, what's starting to show its age, and how it stacks up against all the new handhelds we got this year. Let's go. Let's start with obvious. That one Extreme is still the beast in 2025. It runs almost everything, from AAA titles to emulators, with impressive performance. The 8.8 inches screen, still the largest in the class, 144 Hz, 1600p resolution, strategy games, RPGs, even YouTube, they just feels better on this display. Because it's large. Detachable controllers, kinda nice, but it's super handy if you travel. And once you deal in performance per game, it runs cooler, quieter and smoother than most people expected. But let's be real, it's not all sunshine. First up, Windows. It's better now, but it's still not as plug and play as SteamOS. You'll hit occasional bugs, long boot times and weird launcher behavior. The battery life is it's okay. With tweaks like 40 FPS caps and TDP adjustments, I can get about 2-3 hours of gameplay, which is not bad for one gaming session. But out of the box, it drains fast. And the size, you'll notice it, especially when it slams to your face when you're playing on a bed. It's not as comfortable as a Steam Deck or ROG Ally or like something with smaller screen. It's still good when you play with detachable controllers, but when you wanna play it like this, it's heavy. You can feel that. And what's about competitors? Steam Deck OLED. It's arguably the best all-rounder. Great battery, gorgeous screen, and fully optimized. I have it for a couple months and this is my go-to device. I really like it. I'll grab it with me all the time when I'm going somewhere, traveling or camping or like skiing or whatever. When I have idle in my life, I can just quickly play some couple games. ROG Ally X, same chip as a Go, but empowered thermals and battery. Still runs on Windows. Legion Go S, cheaper, lighter, finally running SteamOS, but it's a stepped down version. Smaller screen, no detachable controllers and less flexibility. Just buy a Steam Deck. So, if you already have that one Extreme Legion Go, you're not missing out on power. It's just a bit of convenience. Here how I use mine now. I sometimes play it docked to my monitor, use mouse, keyboard. It's basically as a mini gaming PC. If I wanna go somewhere far, I can grab it, and if friend has a monitor, I just plug in and good. On the couch for strategy games like Civilization 6 or Slay the Spire, that big screen really shines. You cannot play Civilization on a Steam Deck as good as on Legion Go. And for emulation, with EmuDeck and some simple tweaks, it became my favorite retro device. Once I set up per game profiles and I got my launchers organized, it went from decent to dependable. I can use it sometimes. If you have a couple handhelds, PC, PS5, I don't use it so often, but I'm still use it sometimes. Should you still buy it or keep in 2025? Let me break it down. Already own one? Keep it. Love big screens and docked play? Still a great choice. Want something smaller and simpler? Check out the Steam Deck OLED or Legion Go S if you like it. Prefer Windows, but in cooler, lighter package? The ROG Ally X might be better for you. That one extreme version of the Legion Go still hit hard, especially for power users, and it's often on a sale, but it takes little more care than some of the newer rivals, or you can buy a used one and save couple $100. For me, the Legion Go is like a classic muscle car. Not as easy as to handle, but once you figure it out, it rips. Let me know in the comments, how do you use yours? Docked, handheld, or are you thinking of switching to something newer? If this video helped, like, subscribe, it helps algorithm. And if you want more non-hyped, non-paid handheld reviews, check my channel, I have a couple more videos for you to watch. And see you in the next one. Bum, 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 bum.